G'day crew, it's Zoe the Video Confidence Coach, your guide to personal branding. I'm still working on that tagline. I wanted to welcome you to the Do Video Podcast Season 2. Or essentially me redoing the whole format again because Season 1 happened before the pandemic and everything has changed because of the pandemic. But putting all of that beside us and all that behind us as well, I wanted to welcome you to the Do Video Podcast and our new method. So essentially, we're going to be having 3 episodes a week. So 3, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of 20 minutes that release at about 6 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, or whatever I end up deeming as the right time to send out the podcast. But essentially, for you guys, I want to be able to have something a little bit more, I don't want to say relaxed, but a little bit more intrinsic on the questions that you want answers to. So anything about personal branding, personal development, entrepreneurial, mindset and leadership, as well as social media and video, because all of those things are intertwined if you want to build a personal brand, which hopefully, if you're following me, that's what you want to do. Now, obviously, your personal brand can be anything to do with rising up in your career or in the company that you work at, or going out on entrepreneurial on your own, starting startups, but again, having your own personal brand. So I want to welcome you to join us on this journey where we'll be having 3 episodes a week, and on the YouTube channels and social medias, we'll be having 2 videos a week that relate to the podcast episodes, but sometimes not. I'm trying out a new format. And yes, it may seem like a big acceleration to go from nothing from 2020 to 5 unique pieces of content per week, but I like a challenge. And hopefully you guys will be able to see the fruits of that labor to be able to help you on your journey. So I'm going to leave you guys to it. This trailer has gone on way too long, but welcome to the podcast. Subscribe and stick around. And if you have any questions that you want me to answer, feel free to comment below or send me a DM via Instagram. Link on me with LinkedIn. Whatever you feel like, you do you, boo. All right, I will see you in 2021. Bye.